think Mike's making something again. What are you doing?
Drinking whiskey.
What's that?
This is a Rye Whiskey from Frederick. It's pretty good.
Is that new?
Yeah,
You just got it?
it's their second release.
Nice. So what are you making?
I'm gonna make an old fashioned with it.
Old fashioned.
Old fashioned.
What do you have there?
Bitters.
Bitters.
Whiskey.
Whiskey. Rye
Sugar.
whiskey.
Sugar
Okay.
and water.
So simple syrup. I know that now.
You don't even actually need whiskey. You can make an old fashioned with anything, any spirit. Spirit, sugar, water's bitter.
But
That's
your
an old fashioned.
favorite is rye.
Today I'm gonna use rye.
Okay.
My favorite's gin.
Your favorite's gin. That's why we have too much gin.
We have a little bit too much gin.
So that was how much? Simple syrup?
Just a little bit, a quarter ounce.
Okay.
And then a dash of Angostura bitters. I like to use a dash of orange bitters as well. It smells so good.
So if we order old fashioned outside, what do they use normally?
They're typically gonna use bourbon. I just like to use rye because I prefer the like white pepper earthiness, even sometimes fruity spiciness of rye, as opposed to like the corn and sweet of bourbon.
Okay.
You'll typically find more vanilla and maple as well.
Huge ice cubes.
Yeah, we're gonna start with bigger ice cubes because the better your ice cubes are, the more control you'll have with the dilution of the drink.
So how do you know when it's done for stirring?
You want to taste it intermittently. And you'll know when it's done when it feels like a cold ribbon of silk sliding down the back of your throat. It's not quite done yet.
So why do you stir this one instead of shaking like last time?
When you have a cocktail that has only alcohol in the ingredients typically, and maybe simple syrup, you want the mouthfeel to be more rich and velvety and luxurious as you're drinking it. You want that like booze coating your tongue in the
So
back
it's
of
like
your
a
throat.
smoother instead of like bubbly.
Yeah. Plus there's no acid in it to really shake, so kind of defeats the purpose. That's really good. So let's pour this into a glass.
So we have 0 bubbles in here.
No bubbles. For the garnish, we're gonna use orange peel expression.
Okay. We did not get that shot.
No, that's fine.
We just after effect. It smells really good though.
Yeah. You don't have to film this part.
I will.
This is
Film everything.
literally just me cutting a garnish.
Like what shape are you aiming for?
I don't know. I don't really know. I'm just using a geometric shape, really. I think we should have used more whiskey because it's not quite filling the glass.
Your glass is just huge.
It's just a really big glass. Yeah, that's really good.
Yep.